Hi, good morning on this cold, windy, damp morning. I've been looking at my stats on YouTube and I've decided I've got to change some of the things that I do. So come and join me on that journey. See you later. I could say, what a week we've had of bad weather, but I ain't gonna do so. Because it's winter, and for the time of year it is the weather to expect, and it has rained. And boy, has it rained, and the rain's been cold. Yesterday we had a weather warning. We had gales up the channel, and coastal areas forecasted heavy rain, and we got them. Daytime telly is rubbish and it's turning me into a bob. Bored of Brexit. Being bored has got me thinking about hashtag support gardening YouTube creators and where it's going. And doing nothing, I thought, why not do a mind map? This is the second stage of the process. You may agree or not agree with it, but if interested, pause the frame and let me know in the comments what you think. First stage is writing down everything that comes into one's head, covering video creating for a YouTube video. And it's surprising that a group of people doing this exercise will produce a different map, but the conclusions generally reach a similar state. One always gives a sigh of relief when seeds or sets are planted and they appear. These were planted Thursday the 25th of October. I noticed them Friday 23rd of November. That's 24 days. Let's say 3 weeks. Felt longer. I feel the same way for a thumbs down. You should never leave a thumbs down unless you leave a comment, and I think Google should make some sort of rule for this. And then if you like the video, I think it's just as important to say why you liked it, plus any minor niggles in the comments. But if you were entertained, i.e. not bored, then give it a thumbs up. Then there's the question of adverts. Should they be skipped? I don't know. I need feedback on this. My current view is to treat them as a producer. The makers of the adverts are expert in their field, and their adverts are very short, so they require subtle hooks to catch your attention, and I need to replicate these hooks and adapt them and use them in my videos. Also, it could affect the revenue of the producer. If the viewer considers the advert is inappropriate to the channel content, then yes, definitely skip it, and the stats will then in time reflect this. Quickly changing the subject, Swede and carrots. A tasty vegetable dish which is a good lower fat alternative to mashed potato. It's a winter warmer and recommended for people with type 2 diabetes, but we love it. Back to supporting gardening YouTube creators. My conclusions from the exercise is that both producers and viewers have important roles to play in promoting gardening on YouTube. Terrestrial gardening programs on television attract 12 million viewers. Common Garden Market contains a £45 million stock of cut flowers, with only 20% provided by the home professional growers. And gardening is the 6th most popular pastime in the UK. It is inevitable YouTube gardening videos will grow. What is required is better videos, remembering the majority of YouTuber producers are amateurs. But that's no excuse for, say, jumpy pictures taken with a handheld phone camera. I was always brought up to always aim for 100%, and if you obtain only 80% with this, you will be more satisfied than if you aimed for 80% and only achieved 70%. Learning is a process, and when I started my first videos they were rubbish, and I hope that now they are improving. Supporting gardening YouTube creators could assist. For example, last week I had difficulty in uploading some green screenshots onto the channel, and I ended up abandoning the idea, reshooting the scenes. I persevered later with an idea with some success, which could provide an interesting upload under #supporting gardening YouTube creators banner. The idea behind using a green screen is, while we have bad weather outside, I can still make a video in the warmth of home, adding in some shots on the occasional dry days and moments that arise. Well, that's the plan. The kit was easy to assemble. It also came with a white screen for reflecting light and a black screen for photography shots. I was concerned that the green screen did not cover the full area of the video camera's lens. Plus, I could see creases and folds. What effect would these have on the final shots? Well, these were solved. How will be a subject of another video. So, onward and upward. This is the first shot of the sequence. Note the gap, bottom left hand corner. Welcome to East Sussex, with its light covering of snow this morning. This is the scene after mastering the editing technique, but too late to upload onto YouTube. Good morning. Welcome to East Sussex, with its light covering of snow. And this is the scene that was retaken and then uploaded onto YouTube. And this is the final cut. Good morning. Welcome to East Sussex, with its light covering of snow this morning. Please take care out there and see you next week. Bye.